Okay. Second example. You can't win without scoring goals. So says the coach of a netball team. Jamila, who believes in solid defensive play, disagrees and sets out to prove that there is no correlation between scoring goals and winning matches. She collects the following data for the goals scored and the points scored by 12 teams in a netball league. Use your calculator to determine the product moment correlation coefficient. So we go back to the calculator. As I mentioned in the previous example, you would be given this on a WJC exam paper. So menu 6, 2, okay, so there are 12 teams. I've gone to 12 across and down. So that's done. All clear. Option regression calcs. R is 0.378. So our calculated value of R so the calculated sample gives R of 0.38. State suitable null and alternative hypotheses indicating whose position each represents. Well, the null is always parent population has no correlation, and that is what Jamila is trying to show, sets out to prove there is no correlation. So this is Jamila. There is no correlation between goals scored and winning. And the alternative is what the coach says, which is a positive correlation, that you score goals, you win. So part 2, state suitable null and alternative hypotheses, we've done that. Indicating whose position each represents, we've done that. Carry out the hypothesis test and comment on the result. So that should have said, realised that on the one you'll get, it says carry out the hypothesis test at the 5% significance level, which is missing off this one, I've just noticed. So so one tail test again at 5% significance, and the number of data items that we've got is 12. So if we now go to the tables, so from the tables, squeeze it on the screen, n is 12, 5% one tail is 0.4973. So the critical value would be R of 0.4973. So in order to accept the null hypothesis, the value of R needs to be less than that. The calculated value of R needs to be less than that. So the acceptance region of HO would be R is less than 0.4973. Or less than or equal, it doesn't really matter because you're not going to get it exactly there. So that's the acceptance region. Our test test correlation coefficient R is 0.38, which is less than 0.4973. So therefore we can accept HO. And what does that mean in the context of the question? It means there's evidence to support, not Jamelia is right. We then say, hence there is evidence to support Jamila's view or opinion. So that's EG8. Come from the remote control.